Let's solve this equation together. How do we solve for x here? We have 16 power x squared on the left hand side, and then we have 256 on the right hand side. So if you look at both sides, you realize that we have this 16 and then 256. They can both be expressed in a smaller base, such that maybe you can express them as 2 power something or 4 power something. Since we can express both as 2 power something, then let's go for 2 so that we will express in the simplest form. Now 16 is same thing as 2 power 4, because 2 times 2 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, then times 2 is 16. So here now we have 2 power 4, then let's open bracket and then leave the power that we have there already. And then 256 is the same thing as 2 power 8. So now let's simplify for that. This left hand side, let's first say 2 power 4x power 2. When we multiply 4 by x, it gives 4x. So that will be 4x squared. Then we have 2 power 8. Now that we have the same thing on both sides, we can we have the same base 2 here, base 2 here. So all we have to do is to equate the powers. We equate the powers such that we will have 4x squared to be equal to 8. And now once we divide both sides by 4, we will be left with x squared here equals 2. So we will find the square root of both sides. So this will give the square root of x squared to be equal to the plus or minus the square root of 2. So x now will be equal to plus or minus root 2, and that's it.